To begin, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Look for the App Store icon, which is represented by a blue icon with a white letter A on it. Tap on the App Store icon to open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search bar located at the bottom of the screen. Type Rapido Captain in the search bar and tap the search button or the go button on your keyboard. From the search results, you'll see that the Rapido Captain app is not available in my App Store, but here's how to download it. First, close the App Store, then head over to your web browser of choice. Once you're in the browser, go to the address bar at the top of the screen. Type Rapido Captain app download and hit the search button or press go on your keyboard. You'll see various search results offering the Rapido Captain app download. Click on Install on the first result. This will open the App Store on phone. On the apps page, you'll see the Get or Install button. Tap on it to complete the download process. After the download is complete, the Get or Install button will change to Open. Tap on Open to launch the Rapido Captain app. If you already have a Rapido Captain account, you can log in using your credentials. If you're a new user, tap on the Sign Up or Register option to create a new account. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded the Rapido Captain app on your iPhone. Now you can start providing bike taxi services as a Rapido Captain. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below.